Namaskar, good morning, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. I, Dr. Anil Samaria, welcome you all in this mega RSSDI 2019 conference. As we know that diabetes is rapidly growing in our country, we need the better care, how to diagnose, how to tackle this problem is the biggest problem or challenge to us. We all doctors need a more awareness programs in the country, our city, our villages. We need the more early diagnosis and treatment we require. Diabetes, as we know, that it is a metabolic disorder in type 2 diabetes and autoimmune disorder in type 1. And third is the various secondary type of diabetes. We need the awareness how to diagnose, we need the how to tackle it, we need the more physical activity and diet restriction. Especially we cut the calorie cut is needed as we need as the more consumption of calorie leads to obesity. That is a predisposing factor. In the obesity is a risk factor for the diabetes. And nowadays we see the more of the children are not actually participate in the games, activities. They all are busy with the mobile and TVs and all that. That leads to metabolic syndrome in the children. That is very dangerous. In the coming days we see that these type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes in the younger age groups. So I requested all these needs to be cut it down, all these bad habits in the younger peoples, or we need the more awareness, more healthy diets, exercise. So I request you all to keep participate in every each and field in the diabetes, and diabetes taken care by all the doctors. It is our responsibility to deal with this problem, to reduce the burden over our country and in the nation or in the world. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Anil Samaria, Senior Professor in JLN Medical College, Ajmer. Thank you.
Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching therightdoctors.com.